What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the remote battery in your 2018 Honda Civic. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote. You're going to need to slide this button over to the right, and then the key will come right out. Your next step is going to be to split this case. To do that, you're going to need a flathead screwdriver. You're going to stick it in here like this. This is how I do it. And you just pry the case, and you can split it, okay? Now you're going to want these buttons facing down, because once you open this thing up, everything gets super duper loose, and these buttons can fall out really easily. So you're going to want to have to hold on to this thing pretty good, like this. So here we go with the battery. The battery size is a CR2032. I'm going to leave a link down below that will take you to Amazon. If you need to pick up some batteries, you can pick them up there. Just going to pry the battery out. All right, I'm going to get a new battery, and I just want to show you that with the new battery, you're going to have a positive sign facing you. That's going to be facing you when you go to stick this thing in and back into the remote. We're just going to stick it in here, click it in here, and then get the cover, and just snap this guy all back together like so. Emergency key right back in, and we are done. Well, I hope the video was helpful. If it was, I really appreciate it if you'd liked and subscribed. I'll catch you guys in the next video.